Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at apoptosis, its importance and its pathways. Did you know that your body has a built-in self-destruct system? This system protects you by silently removing the unwanted damaged cells through the process called apoptosis. Apoptosis is a programmed cell death. It is like a scheduled cleanup where unwanted damaged cells quietly dies out without causing chaos. The cell can die through the process of apoptosis or necrosis. Necrosis is messy and can cause inflammation, and apoptosis is clean and controlled. Let us look at some of the differences between apoptosis and necrosis. Apoptosis is a controlled cell death, and necrosis is uncontrolled cell death. The cause for apoptosis is physiological, and the cause for necrosis is pathological. Looking at apoptosis, some of the features of apoptosis or characteristics of apoptosis are shrinkage. You will see there is shrinkage of cell while cell membrane is still intact and there is no inflammation. Whereas for necrosis, there is swelling of the cell membrane ruptures, and there is inflammation. Looking at this diagram here, the cell membrane is intact, there is a shrinkage of the cell, and DNA breakdown happen. While cell membrane is still intact, there is fragmentation. Fragmentation happens, that means that there is no leakage of the intracellular content out into the cytoplasm, so there is no inflammation. With necrosis, there is swelling of the cell and the cell membrane ruptured. When cell membrane ruptured, there is leakage of intracellular content out into the cytoplasm, causing inflammation. Some of the importance of apoptosis. Apoptosis is essential for maintaining health and balance of multicellular organism. One of the importance of apoptosis is growth and development. With growth and development, it shapes organs and tissue during embryonic development. One of the example is our hands. During embryonic development, our hands has webs. These webs dies out through the process of apoptosis, giving rise to 5-digit fingers. It also maintains tissue homeostasis by keeping the cell population in balance and removing old, damaged, and unnecessary cell. It also prevents cancer by removing damage or mutation, damaged DNA or mutation that can lead to cancer if left unchecked. And also remove dangerous cells. Those cells that are infected by a virus or toxin are removed through the process of apoptosis. The apoptosis can happen through two pathways: intracellular pathway, intrinsic pathway, and extrinsic pathway. The intrinsic pathway is also called mitochondrial pathway, and it is triggered by the internal stress. One of the example would be DNA damage. DNA damage can cause by radiation or oxidative stress. When DNA is damaged, it causes activation of p53. p53 is a tumor suppressor protein. When p53 is activated, it will activate pro-apoptotic protein. Pro-apoptotic proteins are proteins that promote apoptosis. And pro-apoptotic proteins are Bax and BAC. When Bax and BAC are activated, they cause a pore in the mitochondria. When there is a pore in the mitochondria, the mitochondrial protein leaks out like cytochrome C. Cytochrome C leaks out combined with APF1 apoptosis activating factor, giving rise to apoptosome. Apoptosome then activate initiator caspase 9. Initiator caspase 9 activate executioner caspase, and executioner caspase carry out the process of apoptosis. In extrinsic pathway, the dead ligand combine or binds to the dead receptor binds to the dead receptor, and this activates the adapter protein or FAD. The FAD activates caspase 8, which is the initiator caspase, and the initiator caspase 8 activates the executioner caspase, caspase 3, and the caspase 3 carry out the process of apoptosis, cellular death. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like this video for similar kind of video in the future.